back to another episode of Kids Cooking Company. I'm Kylie, as always, and we have a guest,
Halle.
Today we are going to be making a fruit and froyo bark.
First, we need a quarter cup of kiwis and strawberries.
Should we snap?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Nice, it still works, even though it's good forever.
Yeah.
Okay, so we should grab our fruits. Oh. We need to snap to clean up all our mess. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we have to make room.
Let's get ready to make the yogurt.
Yes. We need a cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt.
And then we need 2 cups of non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt. Hello.
Okay, yeah.
Smells really good.
Okay, so now I am going to put in a tablespoon and a half of the coconut. I'm going to dump the melted coconut oil in. Now we have to stir all of them together and mix it. Now, should we clean up our mess first?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Okay, yes, it worked. And now we have more ingredients in front of us.
And we have to mix the coconut and the 2 yogurts together.
Do you want to do it? Okay. And then, after we're done mixing this together, we're going to spread it out in a 9 by 13 pan lined with parchment paper.
Now we're going to pour this in. Looks like vanilla pudding. Now I'm just spreading it on paper.
Okay, so now that she is done, we are going to put the fruit on.
Go do this fruit and then
We're going to try to spread it out as much as possible along the
yogurt.
Yeah. The way you drop them in. Green clumps.
Kiwis.
When she is done with the strawberries, I am going to dump a third of the granola on it. And I'm going to try to spread it out like we've been doing with all the fruits.
It looks really good so far.
I want to eat it. I mean, it's not frozen. Imagine trying to pick it up and all the yogurt just going in your hand.
Now we're going to put this in the freezer for 4 or more hours. You just take it out of the freezer and you have to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes.
And once it is done, we will enjoy a piece.
Hopefully it tastes really good.
It's good as it looks. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Okay.
Yum. I cannot wait to try this. Let's dig in. Come on.
This is freezing.
It's cold, but super good. Hi. Welcome back.
Pumpkin.
I got it.
And then we need 2 cups of non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt.
Imagine trying to pick it up and all the yogurt just going in your hand.
That wouldn't be very
Good. Be messy.
polite, what I was going to say.
Polite? It doesn't sprinkle like dust.
I mean, like sprinkles?
Is that why it's called sprinkle?
I think so. It looks like something that like my grandma would make me.